Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Integer Multiplication in Python. Introduction. Multiplying integers is a fundamental operation in programming, and Python provides a simple and intuitive way to perform this task. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of integer multiplication in Python, covering the syntax and providing practical examples. Step 1. Understanding integer multiplication in Python. In Python, you can multiply integers using the asterisk operator. The syntax is straightforward: result equals operand 1 asterisk operand 2. Here, operand 1 and operand 2 are the integers you want to multiply, and result will store the outcome of the multiplication. Step 2. Using variables for integer multiplication. You can store integers in variables and then multiply them. This is useful when dealing with dynamic values or when you want to reuse the numbers in different parts of your code. Step 3. Multiplying negative integers. Python handles negative integers in multiplication just like positive ones. The result will be negative if one or both of the operands are negative. Step 4. Multiplying mixed sign integers. When multiplying mixed sign integers, the result will be negative. This is because one of the operands is negative. Step 5. User input for integer multiplication. You can also take user input to perform integer multiplication dynamically. Use the input function to get user input as strings, and then convert them to integers using the int function. Conclusion. Multiplying integers in Python is a straightforward process using the asterisk operator. Whether working with static values or taking input from users, Python makes integer multiplication simple and efficient. Practice these examples to strengthen your understanding and apply this fundamental operation in your Python projects. ChatGPT.